everybody, welcome to Big Valley Living. I'm JJ, I'm in the garden. Today we're gonna plant blueberries. So blueberries you'll have for a long time, so make sure you get the right ones that you want for your area. So if you live up north, you're gonna want the northern high bush. If you live down south like we do, you wanna get a low chill hour berry. So it's recommended that you have 2 or more types of blueberries so that when they cross-pollinate you get better and more fruit. So I have 3 different kinds. Sorry, it's really windy out here today. Hopefully the audio is not bad, but I got 3 different kinds for our area. One is Misty, the other is Emerald, and the other is Jewel. And they have right around 300 chill hours, so that's really low. Probably 200 to 700 chill hours, which is very low. So I'm going to plant them in this bed. So I have 9. I have 3 of each, and I'm going to just, do all 3, and then do all 3, 1 of each in each 3, and put them in this bed, and hopefully we'll get some blueberries, probably not this year, but maybe next year. To make this a hedge, so I'm only going to plant them about 2 feet apart, so it'll fill in nice, and then it's easier to put over netting or whatever to keep the birds out of it and all of that stuff, as well as we'll be able to plant annuals, put flowers in front of it here to try to help bring in some pollinators. So that's the plan. We'll see. So I'm going to get after this. Okay, so that's really what we do. I'm going to space these 2 feet apart. If you just want to put a couple of them in, you'll want to have them further apart than that. But since we want to hedge, we want them every couple feet. And so I'm going to plant this. I'm going to plant the rest, and I'll come back when I'm done.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is built.
So this is the last one, and just for our purposes and our knowing what the heck I planted where, Emerald. So all the way at the end is Misty, then Jewel, then Emerald. Misty, Jewel, Emerald, Misty, Jewel, Emerald. There we go. And you really plant them pretty much like any other thing you plant. Right at about, or can even go a little lower than grade, but I'm going to put a little bit of mulch in here and stuff, so I don't want to be below grade, so.
We're going to let the soil get a little bit drier, right?
That's right. We had to let this dry out a little bit, but these needed to get into the ground because I got these last week, and they need to be in within a week of getting them. So there we go. Now we'll see how this goes. Thanks for coming by Big Valley Living. If you found anything that's worthwhile in this video, please subscribe. Don't forget to like and the bell to be notified when we put out new videos. Hopefully we'll get a lot of blueberries in the next few years. Thanks for stopping by. See you later, everybody. Be kind.